Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete or drop foreign key constraint for table in database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and we are in table order. So first we are going to find out foreign key constraint name. Now go to structure, so click on it. Now you see foreign key new underscore order underscore customer. So we are going to delete or drop it. If you want, you can click on drop and then click on OK. Or this is our preview SQL query. If you want, you can copy this query. Now you see preview SQL alter table orders drop index fk underscore new underscore order customer. If you want, you can copy this SQL and then use SQL section. So it's up to you, and then click on OK. Now loading, and then you see foreign key constraint name is deleted and dropped from our table orders in database in PhpMyAdmin by using structure. In structure in action you see all key name. Now you see primary key, you also see for this, but here customer ID you don't see any index key or foreign key icon here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.